Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case, then close the case. Right here we should have not connected. And after that open the charging case to reconnect them. Now check it, maybe it help you, but if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, press and hold functional button at the bottom for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. If you have Android, also click pair new device. And after that, click on your headphones at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!